Hello everyone, how are you? It's Craig here, your mad and unboxing adventure. So, today I have got for you the new cordless magic clip. Okay, so here it is here. There's the front. Alright, so it comes with the precision cord and cordless as well. It's 5-star limited edition. You've got a stagger tooth blade, crunch blade technology. You've got an adjustable blending blade, made in the USA, up to 90 mins run time. And you've got the lithium ion battery as well. So this is the 5-star limited edition series that Wahl has brought out of your cordless magic clip. Okay, so on the back you've got, comes with 8 attachments. You've got some oil. Anyway, let's get it out of the box. Okay, so let's unbox it. Nice little box in here. What have we got here? You can read that, you know, all about the clippers and warranty. There's a warranty. And here are the clippers. They're nicely packed. Little all plastic packing. Hey, that was close. Nearly dropped. Okay, so we've got here your attachment blades. I'm not going to get them out. They look like these, the good ones. Just newer than my ones. Some more attachment blades. And you've got the, obviously the Australian edition cord, power cord. And this will just slide straight on, clicks in, there you are. I'd say the cord's probably about 2 meters long, 2.5 meters long, which gives good distance if you did want to use them corded. Put that over there. You've got your comb. I'm sure most of you throw it away, but don't, they come in handy. And as usual, you've got your little oil and your little cleaning brush. You've got your clipper blade protector. Always keep your blade protector, put it on end of the day or when you're not using them. Protect your blades at all times. Alright, over there, and here they are, the limited edition magic clip, cordless magic clip in your nice black and gold colour now. Got your little hanging there. There's the charge port. I'm sure that as Wahl are pretty good, you can use majority of your charging, cordless charging, to be able to charge these up. Or your power cords. There's the back of them. There's the blade. There you can see my face. They're actually quite nice. They're nice and light, as you know. If anyone's had the original cordless magic clips, you know that they're nice and light. Here's the original. That's the original colour. And up against the new colour. I like the new colour. Black and gold looks nice. The blades are actually changed on this to change to a bolting clipper. And we'll also put it up against the super taper. These are the Wahl super tapers. They're a little bit heavier than the newer clips, the newer Magics. There's the super taper. And there's the Magic. There's the blades, different blades as you see. There they are. This is a more easier opening. The super tape's a bit firmer, whereas the Magic's a lot easier. Pretty much the same style on the back as well. Got your hand grip in pretty much in the exact same spot. There's not a real lot of difference in the look of these. They pretty much look identical. Yeah, I'd say it's just the blade. They sound the same. There's the Magics. And here's the super tapers. Okay, again the Magic. And again the super taper. And then here's the old Magics. So the new Magics. And the older Magics. New Magic, old Magic. So, and they're pretty much the same too in the look. It's really just the colour. So all it is, limited edition is just the colour. I don't think there's any difference in the engine, in the motors, sorry, in the engine. We're not talking about cars here, are we? I can see there's... So if you heard that loud noise, that was just dishes in the back. So you got designed for create seamless blends when hard or soft line fading. Ideal for bulk hair removal. And unique stagger tooth blade blends hair and creates texture while cutting. So there you go, the stagger tooth blade. Okay, as you can see there, they are a bit wider apart, the teeth. Okay. So anyway, I'm finishing up this. There we go, there they are. New limited edition Wahl cordless Magic clips. If you like my videos, please subscribe, thumbs up, and press the bell, and you'll get them straight away, I think. I don't know. Anyway, just do the whole 3. I'll appreciate it. And leave me a comment. I'll try my hardest to get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, there we go. And anyway, this is, yeah, look, so this is my cord for my seniors, my 1919 seniors. So well, it'll just go straight in there. So, and the blue light will come on, and when they're charged, the blue light will go off. Okay. This is what they sound like when they're plugged in, and when they're not plugged in, a little bit of power enhance, and when they're not plugged in. There we go. Okay, so I'm not going to compare them up against any other brand today, so there we go. We all choose what we enjoy using on our clients. There you go. So anyway, that's the end. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope everyone's been keeping well, keeping their clients happy, eating good, doing some walking, doing some talking, and hope everyone's been okay. Alright, take care. This is Craig, your unboxing Mad Hatter adventure, everything, whatever. Yeah, cheers, take care, see yous.